Polygon primitive tools. We have 6 polygon primitive tools in current version: polygon, box, cylinder, sphere, pipe, and arc section. First, polygon is a very simple tool for creating polygons, interactive tool. We can set a couple of settings. With weld mode, the newly created polygon points are welded with existing points in the scene. Align to view will align the normal of currently created polygon into viewport. Delete last button will delete last added point. Position of each handle is accessible through numeric panel, and we can show distances, angles, and point indexes in viewport. Next is box primitive tool. It is based on rectangle tool, so we are benefiting from same base modes: center, corner, and rotate with automatic pivot point. Difference over rectangle is that it works in 2 modes. First is a 2D mode. It is initial mode. In this mode, it will create just a quad polygon. And we can now we can define the depth by clicking into side viewport. So now tool is converted into 3D mode, and we can switch back to 2D mode via numeric panel to set the depth to 0, or click to this 2D mode. Open your button. Box tool can create 3 kind of primitives. First default is a box. Second is a pyramid, and last one is a shape library 3D. In the shape library 3D mode, we can use any shape from library. When using library presets, we have here additional buttons, same as in a rectangle tool, so we can flip orientation horizontal, vertical. We can freeze dimensions with fix button and set default dimension from stored in a shape library. Shape 3D depth works differently in 2D mode and in 3D mode. In 2D mode, depth is automatically calculated from the base dimensions, and in 3D mode we can set depth. We can set depth manually. Cylinder tool is based on a circle tool. It has same base 4 base modes: radius, diameter, 3-point, and elliptic. But we can now also, but with cylinder we can set also depth. In 2D mode, it creates a polygonal circle, and in 3D mode it can create a cylinder primitive, cone primitive, or tube primitive. For all primitives, we can set a side per segment value, so we can set detail of the object. And for tube, we can also set offset, inner or outer offset of the tube. Sphere is also based on a circle platform, so we can use same base mode: radius, diameter, 3-point, and elliptic. And sphere will create a polygonal sphere or ellipsoid with elliptic base platform mode. Next is a pipe tool. With pipe tool, we can create several types of pipes. Pipe can have a square and circle shape, so we can switch with shape type to square or circle. In circle mode, we can set sides per segment value, so we can change detail of the circle. Pipe can have 3 kinds of railing curves. So this is first, this is a line railing curve. Next one is a curve, regular NURBS curve, and last one is a pipe pipe curve. So with pipe curve we can change the radiuses of the corners. With holding shift key we can do this directly in viewport. Also with in curve mode we can set with same method the weights of the control points, holding shift key. Next setting is a offset mode. With offset mode we can offset the curve from work plane. It works with line, curve and pipe mode. And the rest of the settings are in numeric panel are same with almost same with line tool. So we can benefit from same tool template. We can close pipe chain, or we can delete last added segment. Also we can use the lock button, so I will lock the first and last point of the pipe, then we can unlock it. All point indexes, point position, distance, weight and radius are also adjustable through numeric panel. And we can also set to viewing show point indexes directly in viewport, show distances between control points, show angles between segments, and for curve we can see a weights of the control points, and for pipe we can see radiuses of control points. And last one is a arc section, which is based on arc2 template. So we have again same three basic modes: 3-point, tangent, and angle. And this tool creates polygonal arc pie. It can be 2D or 3D, and it can have also inverted mode. So it will be something like this. We can set also offset of this inverted mode, and we can also set size per segment value, which will define the detail of the arc section. You can also show radiuses and angle of this arc section.